Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses quotient rule. So the problem is y is equal to square root of x all over 5x squared. So let's write the problem. We can write the square root of x as x raised to 1/2 all over 5x squared. So the laws of exponent states that if x raised to a all over x raised to b, we can write this as x raised to a minus b. So we can also do this here, x raised to 1/2 all over x squared. X raised to 1/2 minus 2. 1/2 minus 2, that is negative 3/2. And if an exponent is a negative, we can write it as 1 all over x raised to 3/2. So we can write this as 1 all over 5x raised to 3/2. And we can now differentiate this. Let's copy the denominator, which is 5x raised to 3/2, and differentiate the numerator. The derivative of a constant is 0 minus. Let's copy the numerator, then derive the denominator. Let's bring down the exponent. Let me just erase some things here. Then copy the constant. Then subtract 1 from the exponent all over the denominator squared. 3 times 5, that is 15x. 3/2 minus 1, that is 1/2 all over 2 all over, let's square this term here, 5 squared, that is 25. X times x raised to 3/2 times 2, that is x raised to 6 over 2, or 6 over 2 is simply equal to 3. Then we can do in, out, out. So basically we have a 1 here. So in, out, out. So let's first multiply the outer and outer. Negative 15x raised to 1/2 times 1, that is negative 15x raised to 1/2. Then in the denominator, let's multiply the inner and inner. 2 times 25x cubed, that is 50x cubed. Then we can simplify x raised to 1/2 all over x cubed again here. So 1/2 minus 3, that is negative 5/2, or 1 all over x raised to 5/2. And we can also simplify negative 15 over 50 here. That would be equal to negative 3 all over 10, then x raised to 5/2. So that's the answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today. See you again next time.